welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you guys this quick and easy mommy makeup look, which was highly requested, and it's a super quick and easy makeup look that you can put together in the morning. It takes no more than like 10 to 15 minutes of your day just to look well put together. And I did mix a little bit of high-end and affordable products because I know when you're a mom you kind of just want to keep it budget friendly, but these are products that I absolutely love and highly recommend. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you guys would like to see a little bit more, then don't forget to follow my social medias. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with this video. Since usually everything is really quick and easy when it's just kind of a quick mommy makeup look, I never skip out on my primer because my girls just love to be all over my face, and I definitely don't want my makeup to go anywhere. So I use the Cabo Water Cloud Primer plus Pollution and Blue Light Defense. I have found that this primer probably works the best out of so many that I've tried. It does have this little blue hue to it, so I feel like it almost kind of color corrects my skin. Kind of just apply it everywhere. For foundation, this one does vary day to day, but usually if it's an everyday type of look, like if I'm gonna go to the park, theme parks and stuff like that, I do love using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. You guys have probably heard me talk about this foundation so much, but I just love how it's buildable coverage, so it's from medium to full. I honestly only do maybe like 2 or 3 pumps, but because I'm running out, I might squeeze out a little bit more. And this is in the shade medium. It does contain SPF as well, so sometimes I will just skip out on my SPF if I'm going to be wearing this, to kind of just even out the skin tone, any color and discoloration on my skin as well. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline FIt Me Concealer in the shade, I think this is number 20. And I just apply it on the inner corners of my eyes, some on the outer corners, and this is going to help make the appearance of lifted, like a lifted look. Right now I'm actually currently filming in my bedroom, and I'm loving the sunshine that comes in at this hour. Usually I do like to kind of let it sit for a couple of seconds before I go ahead and blend it. I just find that it gives the best coverage. Whatever I have left over, I do take on top of my eyelids. And to set that in place, I am going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder in the shade Banana. Ever since I came across it, I cannot use any other powder because it's just so good. And I just add a little bit. I actually already had some on my brush. I just add a little bit. Make sure you look up to really set that in place. I do find that my concealer tends to crease if I don't set it right away. Powder all over my face. For my brows, I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I sometimes like to use their little black one, but I actually just have this one in hand. And I love when there's a dual side, when it's just the pencil and then the little brush, because then I can just brush my hair. And I can just kind of manipulate the product all around to avoid applying too much brow product. So I do have my eyebrows laminated, by the way. I definitely find that it saves me time when I'm doing my makeup. So I kind of just gently dab the pencil on my brows. I actually do need to go get my brows done already, because when I find that I take too much time on my brows, that's when I know it's time. Doing my brows is definitely a step that I do not like to miss in my makeup routine. Like if I really do need to get out of the door, then I will probably just put on my brows and a little bit of concealer. Now to bronze and bring back some warmth to the face, I just go in with my Essence bronzer in Sunkissed. Super affordable bronzer, and seriously just a little bit of it does go a long way. It's more on the warm tone, but I like to concentrate it just more towards the tops of my cheeks. And then I bring it to my forehead, and always bring it down to your neck so that it blends well. hide that double chin. To contour my nose, I do like to go in with the Girlactik bronzer in the shade Cabo. It's just the perfect cool tone bronzer, and it doesn't make me look too muddy if I'm very careful with it. So I just kind of apply this to the sides of my nose, like the arch right here, and I find that that just makes such a huge difference in how you want to shape your nose and like how skinny you want it to look. And then whatever I have on the brush, I'm just going to take it to my eyelid to kind of give me some warmth and color in there. A little bit more. So typically I always take some of this product and apply it underneath my cheekbones. Just since it's a little bit on the cooler side, it'll give it more of like a natural sculpted look. To highlight, I like to keep it very natural for every day, but I do like to apply this Wet n Wild loose highlight in So Lit. You definitely want to be very gentle with this because a very little bit does go a long way. I like that it's so affordable, but it gives you exactly what you're looking for. You see how like I barely even applied whatever was on the lid. Look at that highlight. It's honestly just like so extra, but I just like my skin to look really glowy on an everyday basis because I have such a dry, dull looking skin right now during this winter time. And I don't know, I just feel like lately, like my skin has just not been the greatest. Like I've just been so dry. So, just apply some highlight. Okay, so to my Cupid's bow, chin. Then I go back in with my bronzer brush and just kind of stipple everything in to make sure everything is well blended. Now for eyes, honestly you guys, I wear my fake lashes almost on a daily just because I am constantly taking content photos and things like that, but sometimes if I am on the go, then I will just apply some mascara. And today I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. I'm honestly looking for a new mascara just because my eyelashes are just so small, and that's the reason why I like to apply false lashes. But if you guys have any good mascara recommendations, please leave them down below because I do want my lashes to get healthy again, and I definitely find that the eyelash glue messes with your natural lashes. I don't know if that's just me, but I have found that over the years applying fake lashes has messed up my natural ones. So I do know that castor oil really helps with your lash growth as well, so I try to be consistent, but sometimes it's just so hard to apply it every single night. And honestly, like, I'm thinking of just doing my own little lash serum with, you know, natural ingredients to apply on top of my lashes, like on my lash line, and hopefully see some growth. I really do like the lighting in this room, and this is actually the angle that I get ready in as well, so you guys can see I have really good natural lighting in here. But since my baby's crib is here, sometimes when I'm working she's napping, so once my lashes are kind of just drying, something I like to do if I have the time, I don't push it or anything, but I kind of just push on my lashes like this with the top of the curler. And I find that it kind of helps lift them up. So for the lips, I like to keep it pretty natural. Sometimes I'll just do chapstick, sometimes I'll do lip gloss, and I'll use different lip glosses. Today I will be using Madeline, and I will be outlining my lips with the Italia lip liner in Auburn. I also really love the Maybelline lip gloss in, I think it's called Stone, but I can't find it. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this quick and easy mommy makeup look. I know this was a requested video, so I decided to just bring this on as soon as possible because it's super quick and easy. I do find that sometimes being a mom, it's just really hard to just sit there and even play with makeup now. But I really hope you guys found it helpful and you need something to put together really quick. I think this makeup look is great. I do find that it lasts all day, and I do typically like to sport this look when we go to theme parks. So if you guys ever see me at a theme park, I'll most likely be wearing this makeup look since I don't like to do anything too dramatic. It's still really comfortable, and usually by the end of the night it still looks great. So I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.